Hey, good morrow, everyone. Today we will be reviewing how to compare and order rational numbers. Okay, the key to comparing them, y'all are going to remember this. You order numbers like those above is to have them all in the same form, like all decimals, all fractions, all percents of it becomes that. Okay, remember, and decimals can be equivalent. Okay, so we have 1 and 3 over 5 and 0.4. So the example says change 1 and 3 over 5 to become decimals. Then use that decimal to put it in order. You all get calculators. This is easy. Remember our ice cream, the ice cream cone. I always eat my ice cream first and then the cone. So in my calculator, the ice cream goes in first, then I divide, and then my cone. Okay, I can add that 0 as a placeholder to remind me. Okay, 1. How do I change that to become a decimal? I just add the decimal and the 0 afterwards. That's always there, but I don't need to write it. All right, now we put it in order. We're going to order it from greatest to least because it doesn't tell us in the example. So, which one of these is greatest? I have 0.6, 1, and 0.4. So there's a 0 in the ones place, a 1 in the ones place, and a 0 in the ones place. So which one is greater? 1. Okay. What's next? What's the next greatest number? Is it 0.6 or 0.4? If you want to add a 0 behind it to help you think of it in cents, you can. So is 0.60 or 0.40 greater? 0.60. I'm going to write it the way they had it to begin with on top. So you remember the two that are linked together. Okay, and then last, what's the smallest? 0.40. All right, and we are finished. Alright, now let's look at these. We are going to use greater than, less than, or equal to compare two pairs of numbers. So we have 1 over 5 and 0.18. Okay, what do I need to do? I need to change that fraction to become a decimal. How do I do it? I put it in my calculator. I remember my ice cream. Okay, if I want, I can add that placeholder, that 0. So now, is 0.20 bigger than or smaller than 0.18? It's greater than. Okay, remember which which symbol matches. If it's the less than, it's always going to eat the greater number. If you remember, like an alligator, okay, it always eats the greater number. All right, so it's greater than 0.20. All right, let's try the second one. 0.65 and 3 over 4. What do I need to do? Change it. I remember my ice cream because I love ice cream in math. Okay, if I want to add that placeholder, that 0 before the decimal point to help me, I can. It doesn't change the number in any way. It's just showing that placeholder, that 0. Okay, so which is 0.65 smaller than or bigger than 0.75? It's smaller. Okay, it's smaller than 0.75, so I have to read it going from right to left. Okay, and that 0.65 is smaller than 75, so my symbol needs to eat the larger number. Okay, next, what do I do? Change it. Ice cream. Ooh, so I have 0.84 and 0.84. I can add my 0, my placeholder. They're equal. Alright, and these two, do I need to change anything? No, they're both in decimals. And they're what? Equal.